Hello everyone, welcome to Mercy Video of Styles channel. My name is Mercy. I hope you guys doing well and have an amazing weekend. And guys, in today's video I'm going to set up my dining area, and if you miss how I transform the tree, I'm going to leave the link in the description box down below. You guys can check it out. That was my old tree and I transformed into this. Before I start the video guys, I received a gift from one of my favorite YouTubers, styled by Miss Linda, designed by the boss. Guys, let me tell you, when I received the gift, I was like a kid. I jumped, take my knife and slide it open. And I said, wait a minute, I have to do an unboxing to show you guys my gift. To protect the item, she put a small box inside the big box. Because you know, I'm really picky. I don't like to return because I don't have time for that. But when somebody take time to ship my thing very nice, it's a plus for me. Inside the box there's a cute thank you note, as you can see, that gives you instruction how to care for the product. Let me tell you something guys, God gives all of us a gift, and I know decorating is her gift because she has a blessed hand. She can turn everything, she can mix all the colors and turns out super beautiful. From the moment I received the package, I knew I'm going to love it because I know she has styling class and she's not going to do anything that's not quality, and I know that. And guys, as you can see, the cover has her initial and everything, super nice. I'm not going to use it in my video today. I just wanted to do the unboxing to show you my early Christmas gift. I love the style, I love every single detail, well made. The glass is thick and strong, very nice. One of them is not enough, so I'm going to buy several more. This can be used everywhere, in the bathroom, laundry room, kitchen, dining room, everywhere you can think. So it's super nice. I'm going to leave the link in the description box down below for you guys to support her. I'm going to leave her YouTube and her store. Guys, please buy to my link. Like that, you support the channel and you support her business with no additional cost to you. Guys, my channel, it's all about quality. So if I cannot get the quality, if I cannot afford it, I rather go to the thrift store, because once you spend your money, for me, I'm a nurse, I work hard for my money. So I expect to have something nice for my hard sweat money. As you can see, it's a nice quality. The design is beautiful. You can buy it for yourself, gift it to your friend or family. In this holiday season is a nice thing to have. Okay guys, let's go back to the video and keep on watching. This is a table warmer I get from Amazon, but I'm not going to use as a warmer. I'm going to do a double-sided placemat with it. I was trying to buy for placemat. They were too expensive. So you guys know I always make it work. So that's why I decided to do my DIY. And also guys, this is a video collaboration with my fellow YouTube sisters. And I already apologized to them. I didn't know I was going to post the video. I was extremely busy. I just have a new job. To be honest guys, I knew I was biting more than I can chew. However, when you have a dream, sometimes it's worth the sacrifice. In this collaboration, they asked us to decorate or DIY a wreath or garland, swag. Guys, I love decorate with garland. So make sure to stay till the end of the video to see how I transform my dining area. Super gorgeous. It's a lot of us in this video collaboration. I'm going to leave the name of everybody in my description box down below. Make sure to check them out. I hope you guys enjoy the video and keep on watching.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the
Always take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm truly grateful to have you here. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Whenever I post a new video, you will be the first person to know. In my channel guys, I do pretty much everything. I do my hair, my nails, home decor, DIY, clean with me, product review. If you are not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you. I love you all and keep on watching. Okay guys, before I start my videos, I always put everything that I think I may need for this particular video. I don't like to run back and forth and then I already think the video and just have everything in place. This light, I get it from the Dollar Tree. That was the only one, and I had to go to Dollar General to buy this one for $5. After work, I already have my centerpiece in place, put my garland, and I'm going to finish up with everything. In this video, I'm going to add some fake snow to make the centerpiece, I don't know, more creative. I did my centerpiece off camera because I didn't want the video to be too long. I have so many videos on how I put my garland. Feel free to check my other videos. And after I finish everything, I clean up the table for excess snow. This is how the centerpiece look like. As you can see, very nice. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur channel moi. Si c'est la première fois, moi souhaite bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci. S'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo avec famille aux amis. Dans la vidéo ça m'a montré nous qui j'aime moins décorer, ça la manger moins pour Noël. Mes amours, nous pas besoin d'un château pour nous décorer. Nous avons un petit caille tout petit et puis nous fait câlin vraiment belle, mais mouche pas qu'à poser. Maman me toujours dit ça. Ok guys, si vous pas de cop pour dépenser ou soit pas décidé de dépenser cop, mais vous still t'aimer caillou belle ou venir sur bon Chanel là. Parce que dans Chanel moi m'a bon idée qui gens ou ka décorer caillou sans ou pas dépenser un pile cop. At the end of the day, pas de plus bon côté passer la caille. C'est ça que nous supposons mettre agréable. Et dans la même vidéo, ça te guys, moi j'ai publicité moi fait pour haïtienne qui a évolué sur YouTube là guys. Il est toujours bon pour nous supporter you know lot. C'est un YouTuber moi aimé en pile, il a un pile talent. Style by Miss Linda, design by the boss. Guys, m'a mettez un channel li, m'a mettez un website li dans la description box. Soit bien aux États-Unis, s'il vous plaît, supportez business ni. Et si c'est pas la première fois tout, moi je vous remercie un pile pour support. Moi aimez nous, s'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder cette vidéo. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I'm going to show you different time of the day or the table look like. This is the late afternoon. And guys, I have early morning. And this part was around like 6:37 in the morning, which is super nice with the light turned on. Super gorgeous, as you can see. And in the same video, you're gonna see the nighttime. That's how the nighttime look like. Guys, I'm really in love with this centerpiece, the way I transform my dining area. If you like it just the way I do, please don't forget to smash me some thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you like.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est Merci. Je vous en prie mes amours, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. J'aime vraiment décorer ma maison avec des choses stylées. Dans cette vidéo, vous allez voir comment j'ai décoré ma salle à manger pour Noël. Et pour vous donner des idées géniales comment pour décorer avec luxe sans dépenser beaucoup d'argent. Et aussi, vous allez voir la beauté de la salle à manger pendant le jour, la nuit, le matin. Si vous aimez, guys, n'oubliez pas de partager et laisse-moi un petit commentaire en français. Ça me fait un grand plaisir. Merci beaucoup pour votre support. Je vous aime.
With Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire, chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
You guys already know whenever I'm counting my blessing, you are a very big part of it. Thank you so much for taking your time watching the video today. I love you all and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.